Enjoy the Florida lifestyle in this charming first-floor condo located at the desirable Greenbrier of Citrus Hills community. This 2-halves-end unit has been updated and meticulously maintained. Upon entering, you will be greeted with an open floor plan that features a light and bright living/dining room combo with neutral colors and ceramic tile throughout. The updated kitchen offers ample counter/cabinet space that's great for anyone who enjoys baking or cooking during the upcoming holidays. Both the master bedroom and second bedroom are spacious in size, with the master offering a generously sized walk-in closet and ensuite. Both bathrooms have been totally updated for you. Relax and enjoy the beauty and tranquility in your enclosed Four Seasons Florida room with double-pane low-E insulated sliders while sipping your favorite beverage. Other amazing features include roof, 2022 by HOA, air conditioner 2021, and all-new windows/sliders in 2020. Washer and dryer included, and furniture available separately. You're just a short distance to the community pool and tennis courts where you can meet new friends and neighbors. Great snowbird retreat or full-time Florida destination. Lush landscaping, mature native Florida oak trees on the property. Maintenance includes pool, tennis courts, outside maintenance, exterior painting, water and trash. Check out the community website, greenbriercitrusHills.org. Great location just minutes from shopping, restaurants, several state parks, hiking/biking trails, golf courses, lakes, rivers, freshwater springs and the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Enjoy our world-famous fishing, boating, diving, kayaking, scalloping and of course swimming with amenities. Don't miss out, schedule a showing today.